Let's explore the picture settings. Go to Settings. Click on Picture. Inside the Picture menu, you will find several options such as Select Mode. Multiple picture modes are available. You can choose one based on your viewing preference. Click on Personalized Picture Wizard. Here, you can create your own picture mode by selecting the best sample images step by step. During the process, you can compare the previous picture settings with the new ones you create. Once you click Apply, your custom picture mode will be activated. Click the back button to return to the previous menu. You will find more settings such as Aspect Ratio. Click on Aspect Ratio, then select User Selection. You can choose the aspect ratio as per your preference. The recommended option is 16:9. The Just Scan option will be highlighted when your TV is connected via an HDMI cable. Advanced Settings. In this section, you can customize brightness, color, and clarity settings. If you want to apply the same settings to all input sources, click on Apply to all inputs. Filmmaker mode Auto Start. Turning this on will automatically apply the Filmmaker mode for supported content. Reduce blue light. Enabling this option helps reduce eye strain, making it easier to watch TV for longer periods without discomfort. Now you have learned how to adjust the picture settings on an LG TV.